Hello, welcome to free online tutoring of exam episode 05. Please spend 10 seconds for read view description. And last time, I already talked about the diagram of skills exam, and you jump into the first skill exam, which is a very big blue sea, and there are 5 categories. You have to know it. Then what's gonna happen? You also have a 16 topics of review, including these 5 options. So I just make the chart, and you may easy to understand. And also, some of you guys send me an email about how do I use the handbook? What's the handbook meaningful to you and other people? The handbook is a guide, and they will include regulation, code of ethics, practice management, OPs, and ACT. And sometimes when you do your skill exam, you don't have enough time to check out the answers from different regulations or, your big thick book. And for example, today in this PowerPoint, I will tell you how to use the handbook, why you use the handbook to find the answer during the full exam. And today's topic, we spend a little bit time to tell you how to make the right answer from the episode 04. And today we will focus on IRB divisions, which have the RPD, ID, RAD, and we also will mention admissibility hearing for foreign nations or permanent residents who have contributed the part. When you fail those appeal hearing interview, what were you gonna do? Which legal remedy process you can have? Interview, appeal hearing, or judicial review. And when you do a judicial review, where you can go? Federal court. And IRB is here. It's for appeal, hearing, and judicial review is here, federal court. And they also already mentioned the dates. So today's episode 05 topic will be question of episode 04. Answer of episode 04, page of handbook, which I already mentioned before. We go to simple question, and this is original scenario you will see maybe in a first skills exam, maybe in real practice way when you're dealing with the client. Then now we go to next slide. You can see I use 3 different colors. One is blue, second one is red, the third one is orange. What's the difference? The first one, you have to identify who. In any scenario, any case, you have to understanding the client's background. For this scenario, the client is a refugee and the permanent resident. The second one, what's the reason he's seeking your advice? Maybe, okay, he has a criminal, and what happened? Because he already knew what happened with him, how to solve his question. And he got the result. It's a sentence to 28 months. And then what else? And admissibility hearing. Then he got the result is issued a deportation order. That is the whole scenario, and you have to be thinking logically who. Who is means identify the case, what happened. You have to find out the problem. Third, the result, which means you have to realize how to solve the question. If you did not know the result, how can you find the answers to your clients? For this, answer will be D, apply for leave for judicial review at the Federal Court of Canada. You may say, why is not A or B or C? I prefer appeal to the Immigration Appeal Division. Here, by vitamin of the IAD, you can find your handbook. You can find he did not meet any qualification to go to the IAD for the appeal. And how about B? Apply for appeal to the Refugee Protection Division. What kind of person, what kind of situation you can go to RPD? Refugee case person already in Canada. Okay. C, apply for appeal to the Immigration Division, which means ID. Admissibility hearing for foreign nationals or permanent residents who have controverted the ERPA. But however, he already gone through admissibility hearing. Here, at an admissibility hearing, he found it inadmissible. So the final answer, what he can do, apply for leave for judicial review at the Federal Court of Canada. Here, appeal hearing, IRB divisions. You already know here. Then, judicial review, Federal Court. And today's our topics reference will be Handbook for Canadian Immigration Consulting Practice, Exercise Book for Canadian Immigration License Exam and CSC website, also ICCRC website. Thank you for watching today's episode 05, and next time we will go through another topic for episode 06. Goodbye.